Assemble the host and the aluminum tube together. Fit the electrical floor brush onto the other end of the aluminum tube. You can use other brushes or nozzles by simply attaching them to the host. Pull the charger port cover up and plug the other end of adapter into the charger port. Once the adapter is plugged in, the battery indicator flashes. When the unit is fully charged, all battery indicators remain steadily lit. Press the power button to start the unit. The battery indicators will show the remaining battery level. Press this button again to shut off. Press the mode switch button to switch between min and max modes. The corresponding indicator will light up. Release the latches on the host to empty dust and debris for cleaning.